Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to enable and use Internet Explorer 8 on Windows 11, 10. Open Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Create shortcut. Change icon. Select F12 Developer Tools. Select 8 to use Internet Explorer 8. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.